The best online learning platform just keeps getting better. And if you're looking to kick off the year on the right foot, there's no better way than to learn something new, skill up, be more competitive in the job market, and, well, make more money. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the more recent additions to Coursera, a platform I've used for years to help me advance my career. And if you haven't tried it yet, you might want to give it a shot and see how it can help you. So before I even get started, if you're new to the channel, my name is Richard Walls and I'm here to help you with career development and personal finance. So if those are topics that you think you'd be interested in, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified of when I post new content. That said, let's get started. There were some pretty big developments that came out of the past year. First is that they're continuing to expand their partnerships with a lot of major companies to offer coursework in high demand skills. They started about 2 years ago with their partnership with Google, where they offer specialization tracks in data analytics, project management, UX design, digital marketing, and IT support. Now, those have been going on for quite a while now, and if you want to learn a little bit more about that, I've got a video that I did a couple of years ago on those courses. You might want to check that out. But they've expanded their offerings this year with their partnership with Meta, formerly known as Facebook. They offer quite a number of unique specialization tracks like social media marketing, marketing analytics, front-end developer and back-end developer, iOS developer, Android developer, database engineer, and I think that's about it. That's quite a lot of good options. The fun fact is that the social media marketing specialization, if you complete it and earn the certificate, you can actually get college credit. And that's if you get accepted to UNT's Bachelor of Applied Arts and Sciences program. This is the University of North Texas and happens to be a school that Coursera partners with to offer their bachelor degrees. Second fun fact is that most of these specializations, along with over 7,000 courses on Coursera, are available either standalone, where you, if you want to earn the certificate, you pay for each individual course or specialization, or the better deal is if you subscribe to Coursera Plus. I've got a link in the description below. This gives you unlimited access to most of the courses and specializations that the platform offers, with the ability to earn certificates for each of them. Now, you'll want to double check the exclusion list if there happens to be certain specializations or courses that you are really interested in. Make sure to check that list because there are some courses that are not offered with the subscription, so you have to be careful about that. But for a monthly fee or yearly, if you pay it all up front, you can earn as many certificates as you have time to earn within the period of time that you're subscribed to Coursera Plus. So this is a phenomenal deal. If you have multiple specializations you want to take, you can just do this one subscription. You have access to pretty much most of the courses that are offered and just boom, 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 get them knocked out. But the second major development here is that if you're interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning, Coursera updated their most popular course, and this is one of the first courses that they offered. It's called Machine Learning. It's offered through Stanford University, and it was created by Andrew Ng, who's happens to be the founder of Coursera. But this past year, they made a pretty dramatic update to the course that they launched way back in 2012. Now, of course, a lot can change in tech in a decade. The course has now been expanded to become a specialization track that's composed of 3 courses: supervised machine learning, regression and classification, advanced learning algorithms, and unsupervised learning, recommenders, reinforcement learning. Now, per the fact, at least one substantial change is that previously the coursework focused on Octave as a programming language. It now uses Python as the main programming language and covers updated topics on decision trees and tools like TensorFlow. Now, it's possible that this specialization is not actually included in Coursera Plus, so if this was something that interested you, this is one of the exclusions, unfortunately. Third development is university certificates. These are basically standalone professional certificates. The difference with this offering is that these certificates are issued by the university directly. They are not co-branded with Coursera. In fact, you can consider Coursera to be more of a platform through which these universities can market their programs, and in some case, host some of the content that may be delivered. So when you receive the certificate, it won't really have any mention of Coursera, it's just going to be the name of the university. This is also a little bit different in that there are actual cohorts of students with proper start and end dates. And of course, there's start and end dates for a lot of things on Coursera, but these again are, imagine going through some kind of boot camp or some kind of training program. You're really going to be interacting with these students, I would say a little bit more, there's a bit more engagement here in these programs than there are or would be in maybe some of the other courses or specializations. Fees for these programs are still very much affordable compared to, say, a master's degree, but quite a bit higher than some of the standard Coursera courses or specializations you would find elsewhere. Those are the major changes, so folks, make sure to check out the link down in the description below that you can access and find out more. And if you want to learn about my personal experience having been on Coursera for many years, taken 40+ courses, make sure to check out this video here. And I've also got some content on Google Career Certificates, which is what I mentioned earlier. If you want to check out that video, it's here at the top. So with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.